Hi, I am coming to you today because I wanted to do some fun little experiments with Monat and with some other brands that I used to use in my past. So, when I mean my past, I mean my past. I've been using Monat for over a year and a half now, and I absolutely just love, love, love how my hair has been. Um, this is going on 2 days of not washing, which is absolutely amazing for me because I actually used to have to wash constantly every day because my scalp was so oily and so greasy. It would never style either. Like, this is nothing. This is just, it's heat protectant. That's all it is. So dry shampoo and heat protectant is all I've done in my hair today. And I got this amazing curl going on, which is so awesome because by now, I did this morning, so by now it would have been completely gone. But so I wanted to come to you because I was doing a little demonstration and for some other people, and I thought it would just be so much fun to share it with everybody because it's like, it really makes you think about what you're putting on your scalp and in your hair, right? Like, when you can see the difference, you start to really think like, like, is that really good for my hair? And a lot of us, kind of wonder why we're like, oh, we have to turn up the volume on our hair care or our hair products, our hair tools and things like that because my hair is not curling, it's not doing this and it's not doing that. And in reality, it's not your hair's fault. It's actually the products that you guys are putting in because they're filled with wax and silicones and plastics and parabens and just all kinds of junk. All kinds of junk. And what that's doing is when you add heat, so when you put that in your hair and then you add heat, it's just creating layers. So then it's not actually getting to your actual hair. It's layers on top of your hair strand. It's mortifying, really. So I actually wanted to do a little demonstration with Monat's heat protectant. So this is a thermal shield heat protected. This actually goes up to 450 degrees. Mind you, if your hair is healthy, you do not need to go up that high, especially if you have thin hair. Ladies with thinner hair, mine is thin, you do not need. This was 310, okay? 310. I didn't need to go up any higher than that. I sprayed a little bit of the thermal protect in my hair and went to town and curled it all up and made it look good. So I'm actually going to be putting this up against one of the products that I used to use when I was doing my hair. Mind you, I could not use this product for very long because my scalp started getting irritated. I started seeing flakiness. I started feeling dryness. It was just itching all the time. Like, it just felt so irritated because it literally just sits on your scalp. And my scalp did not take it very well. So this is the Kendra Blowout. This too actually protects up to 450. And so these both are a cream based. So that's why I'm putting them up against each other. I know and understand that this is not a blowout cream, but it still does the same thing. They both protect up to 450 degrees. So that's why I'm pitting them against each other. That's right, I am pitting them against each other. So I'm going to demonstrate this with my flat iron. I was just like looking, sorry, you can see I was doing stuff earlier. You'll be crazy. So I have it at 390, okay? I'm not even gonna put it at 350. I mean, I guess I could bump it up more. Because, I mean, in reality, see, look at that, 450, red, danger zone. Okay, so I'm not going to go that high. I'm going to do 410. Okay, you guys? Realistically, we do not need to have it up that high. But I'm going to go ahead and do it. 410 it is. So it needs to set just a little bit longer. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to try to do this while you guys are up there because it is really super hard. So, a couple things. It's really super hard to like hold this and keep it in play. But you guys can't see it when it's sitting down and, yeah. Okay, we're at 410. So on the back side of this, I am actually putting Kendra, okay? So we're gonna do, woo! There's the Kendra. I'm gonna do one pump. Oop! There's one pump. Okay, you guys. Monat, gone. Kendra, still here. You hear that sizzling? That's what you do to your hair, you guys, when it's up this high. You just fry it. That's all you're doing. Look at this. The reason why it's not going away is because it's plastic. There's like gunk in there. Like super grody potes. Can you guys, I don't know if you guys can see that. Here, I'll do it again. Because I don't want you guys thinking like, oh, you're probably wiping it off really well. Okay? All the product is off except for that back half, and I'm not going to put it back there. So I got all that completely off. So again, we're going to do, because it says, you know, one scoop. See, this is why it's hard to do this. One pump. Okay. Hopefully it's not. There we go. Whoop. As you can see, Monat is just going away. The Kendra is still there cooking. Smell that steam coming off, you guys? Isn't that crazy? Like you're just sitting there cooking it on your hair. That's all you're doing. All the plastics, all the nasty, everything that's in this product right here, you're sealing it into your hair is what you're doing. Woo! It's popping. Monat is gone. See all this that's staying on here? This is product that's being cooked into your hair. Hard product. There you go. See that hanging off there? That is hard product you're putting in your hair. Ugh. Okay. So, how do you guys feel about that? I don't know about you, but I completely understand why my scalp and my hair was always oily and always had a problem. Like, seriously. Okay. Cleaned it off. The next one I'm going to pit up against each other is, so we have another thermal protect. So if you have thicker, medium thicker hair, I recommend this one, okay? It's too heavy if you have thinner hair, so I wouldn't do it. This is a spray. This is a heat protectant. We're going to put it up against the Chi. This is a very popular one that I used to use too. I'm going to do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see, Monat has dissipated. See all this white stuff here? Again, that's what you are putting in and sealing into your scalp. This is why your hair has a hard time accepting color deposit and other things, is because you're sealing this into your hair. Pretty grody, but a fun experiment. Have an awesome day.